name is Mr. Calvillo, and today I'll be doing a lesson on portion sizes. So portion sizes are really important because when you're eating food, usually people aren't really too keen at looking at how much they're taking in per se for food. So like when people eat like a certain amount of meat or a certain amount of cheese or things like that, they're always taking in a certain amount of calories. And if you're taking a large amount of calories in, it can be bad for your body because you have like a certain amount that your body burns to be able to do your everyday activities, and then after that it has a surplus of them. So that surplus stays and it builds up and it turns into fat, and eventually over time, if you keep eating a lot and letting those calories build up and those carbs and let that fat build up in your body, it could lead to obesity, and then from obesity you could get a lot of chronic illnesses after that. So like let's say you go to McDonald's, and McDonald's, they have this burger called the double quarter pounder, which is a lot of fat and a lot of calories. Usually for like meats or proteins, you're going to want to do like a deck of cards. So this is about the size of a deck of cards. It's about 3 ounces, like a 3-ounce serving. So, it's not that big. It's pretty small. It's a good amount of meat. And so for like your fruits or let's say ice cream, you do a tennis ball, which is about a half cup. And let's see, for your servings for vegetables and grains, you do like a fist's amount of that. So put that on your plate. That's a good amount of grains and vegetables. And for the tip of your thumb would be a good amount for dressings and butter or cream cheese. I know there's a lot of people, like including myself, I use way more than that for my like ranch or cottage cheese or things like that. And for cheeses, you could do 4 dice. That will equal about an ounce of cheese if you eat it. And so another good example would be like earlier today I ate chicken noodle soup, and I really like to eat saltine crackers with them. So on here it says serving size is 5 crackers. So if I take this out, take that, and I get 5 crackers out. That's 5 crackers, so it's a pretty small amount. This is how much I used to crush into my soup before I ate it, and then I probably had another 6 or 7 crackers after that to eat with the rest of my soup. So that's more than double what should be the regular serving size. So that's quite a bit, honestly, and I should probably not be eating that many saltine crackers. All that sodium is really bad for you. But yeah, so you always got to check your serving sizes. Always have to check your portions and make sure you're getting the right amount, because you don't want a surplus of calories and a surplus of carbs and all that stuff. So always make sure you're watching your portion sizes and your servings so that you can have a healthy amount of food all the time and to stay healthy and live a healthy life.